Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome to today's video. As you can tell, I am in a hotel and I'm in a hotel in Sydney, Australia. So yeah, so you're probably seeing this video after the fact, after we've already traveled and returned back home, because you all, I have been having the worst trouble uploading to YouTube since I've been here. Normally when I'm at home, I can upload a video, like the actual process of uploading the video only takes me maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Here, I don't know if like the internet's so slow and the Wi-Fi and just all that good stuff, or if there's something to do with the fact that, you know, I am like normally working off of the US based YouTube platform, and then when I got over here it automatically converted to the Australian platform. I don't know if that has something to do with it or not, but it is literally taking like 2 hours for a video to upload, and it's moving super duper slow. I can't do anything else on my computer while it's doing that, and I just haven't been able to get it to upload and then process and all of that good stuff. Like, it's so time consuming. And then last night I even let it run all night long, and I woke up this morning and it still wasn't finished. So I just got frustrated. I canceled it. And I said this morning I was gonna go up the street, maybe to a Starbucks, to see if I could connect up there and if it was faster. And Starbucks Wi-Fi wouldn't even let me access YouTube. So it was the craziest thing. I kind of just gave up. I have one more last option. I'm gonna go down to a local business center where I can actually connect to a desktop computer that's hardwired and see if that will make a difference. So if I don't get that up, then all of these videos will just trickle in after we get home from our trip. But I planned, you guys, I planned thoroughly for this trip that I was going to still make content for you guys and share some beauty favorites, some new products, some first impressions, some reviews, all those good things, as well as just a general travel vlog while we are here. We're here in Sydney for the next 10 days. My husband is here for work and I am just tagging along. But of course I'm still working while I'm here, but he is the reason we are here. So today's video, I know I look a hot disaster, and I'm still in workout clothes. I am getting ready to go work out, but before I do that, I wanted to shoot a video real quickly. Probably couldn't even get that out really quickly, and that is, I wanted to show you all my new travel makeup bag that I got before we left for the trip, and I wanted to show you how I packed all of my products inside of it, because I know that's a question that people ask all the time. Well, like, if you're a makeup artist or just like a makeup connoisseur like myself, how do you pack all of your makeup when you go out of town, or how do you even decide what items not to take with you? Well, thanks to this new travel bag, you don't have to stress about taking a limited number of items, okay? You can pack the whole shebang if you want to, because this has enough space for everything, and I'll tell you how to get through security with these items. So if you want to see how I package and pack all of my beauty products while traveling, then keep on watching. But before we do that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future upload from your girl. All right, guys, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so there's a mirror right in front of me, so I need something to prop this up against. So that's why I'm using that. But here is the actual bag. I know that you all have seen these all over YouTube and Amazon and etc. And I did purchase it from Amazon. I will have a link to the exact one down below. There are several different ones on Amazon, but I will show you a link to the exact one that I purchased. And so far I've had great success with it. It's held up very well. I've got a lot of space, and I'll show you everything inside. But here is the first compartment up top. You open it up, and it's got some little elastic holders here, so you could put like some brushes or whatever you want to fit in here, to be perfectly honest. I mean, there's no set thing that it's dedicated for. Do what you want with it. And then you have like a little mesh zipper section. In here I have a few palettes. I've got 2 eyeshadow palettes and a highlighter palette, all of which I will be showing and reviewing and first impressioning while I am here. So that is what is in this section. And then there's a bigger zipper, which is already open, and you lift it up and it has a little flap here, and this is where I have all of my brushes. You guys, this thing has so much room. There's 2 rows, so there's actually this row here, and then there's another row back here, so you can put brushes all the way down the top and all the way down this bottom row. And then there's a zipper over here on this side, and guys, you can stuff extra things in here, more palettes, whatever it is you want to put in there. And then this is the actual travel bag, and so it's got all of these nice little storage compartments in it. And what I really like about it is all of these come out, and you can adjust them to whatever size, you know, length, width, whatever you want, depending on the products that you're taking. So I really like this, you guys. Really like it. So here's the thing: if you were just traveling by car, it doesn't really matter about the size of the products that you put in here. But if you are traveling by an airplane, you do not want to check your makeup bag, which I highly suggest you don't, unless you enjoy opening your makeup kit and having damaged makeup, because I guarantee you all of your eyeshadow palettes, your highlighter palettes, everything like that will be broken if you check this bag. I'm sorry, if you check it to go under the plane, but if you use it as a carry-on like I do and take it through security with you, then all you need to do is make sure that all of your products are 3.4 ounces or less. Now, as you can see, I do have a few baggies in here, and I have like my foundation, especially liquid products, inside of the baggies. And most of your foundations are a fluid ounce anyway, so it really isn't going to matter about that. The only thing you really have to watch for is like your powders or something. So my powders, I do try to make sure I bring my travel size, so there's not an issue. So let's just start from the top over here with foundations. Okay, this is an empty bag because I actually have the stick in here. So I brought my 2 Holy Grail foundations, the NARS Longwear Radiant, or Longwear Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and then the Hourglass Vanish stick. I did get a new one. That's the reason for the box. And then I did bring my Rodan & Fields Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid, and I brought the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. And then I, of course, have my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Let me just stick all of this back down. All right, next compartment. So, of course, I've got my Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Mist, and I have my KKW Beauty Bronzing Powder, and contour powder. And then I have my MAC and Patrick Star Eyeshadow Quad Lancome Dual Finish Powder. I've got the Juvia's Place Nubian little mini palette that came in the Nikki Tutorials and Allure Beauty box, along with the KKW Blush in Karma. So all of those fit nicely into this little compartment. And then here, I've got like some skincare items. So I've got my Rodan & Fields eye cream, I have some microdermabrasion paste, and I have the active hydration serum. Again, these are liquid items, so I have them in a baggie. And then I have some makeup wipes. And then over here in this little slender, this one was a little bit bigger, but I rearranged the inserts to make it smaller to fit this. So in here I have like all of my pencils, like lip pencils, eye pencils, brow pencils, and full-size mascaras. And over here I've got some full-size concealers and lip products, and some Tatcha Dewy Luminous Skin Mist. Over here, I've got some little travel size MAC Fix Plus, a little beauty blender, and then, of course, a little travel size Neutrogena face wipe. And then over here, I've got all of my little travel size mascaras and eye pencils, all travel size, are in here, and it fits in there perfect, as well as some eyeshadow pomade from ColourPop. And then here, I've got like all my primers and so face primers and eyeshadow primers, all of those down in there. So we've got some Makeup Forever, some Urban Decay, some Lancome, Too Faced, And then here are my smaller sized liquid lipsticks. So we've got some Jouer, I've got the Stila little travel size, we've got some Jeffree Star. I think that's it. Here I've got my blushes. So I've got the Marc Jacobs, I've got the Charlotte Tilbury, and some ColourPop. And then over here I've got 3 highlighting compacts. So I've got, I believe, yeah, so we've got the Maybelline Master Chrome, the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Quad or Trio, and some MAC Skin Finish. And guys, that's it. Like, we legit have the whole face right here in this whole kit and caboodle. You all really, oh, my favorite new tool that I will be sharing with y'all is my face massager from Nurse Jamie. I will tell you all about this. I know it looks kind of funky, but I will tell you all about it. Yeah, you guys, this is like a lifesaver when it comes to traveling, and you don't want to have to pare down your makeup and sacrifice your looks with your makeup while you are gone. I will have this listed below, and guys, the best part about this is I'm almost positive this was less than $30. It comes in a couple different sizes as well as a couple different colors. This is definitely worth your money. Okay, guys? I will again have all this listed down in the description box for you to check it out. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And you already know to share this video link as well as the link to my channel with all of your family and friends so that they can be a part of the Debutante family. And guys, so some of the products that I showed you all that's in my travel beauty bag, I will be demoing and reviewing this week while I'm here in Sydney. So be on the lookout for that. And again, I do apologize for the delay in these uploads. I promise it is not for lack of trying. It is not my fault. The internet service over here is terrible. But yeah, so I guess I will see you all in the next video, and I hope everyone's new year is off to a great start. See you later. Bye.